A very good morning to all of you. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Niharika Maurya. I study in class 7. The name of my school is Vibrant Mathematics International School. It is situated in Shivnagar, Lucknow bypass, Unnao. My school is the best school of the city. It is an English medium school. The school has approximately 700 plus students and 20 plus teachers. Now I want to tell about my topic. My topic is heat. Heat has been accepted as a form of energy which is transferred from a body at higher temperature to the one at lower temperature. When you hold a rod with its one end in fire, you find it is difficult to hold it after some time. Why does it happen? It happens because the rise in the rod's temperature caused by fire starts burning your skin. Heat. The following the law of conservation of energy can be transformed in other forms of energy. Similarly, the other forms of energy can also be transformed into heat. For example, when you switch on an immersion rod in water, the electrical energy is converted into heat energy. At thermal power stations, the heat energy is converted into mechanical energy to rotate turbines and generate electricity. Heat as a form of energy has its own effects of a substance. Transmission of heat. There are different ways through which heat is transmitted from one point to another. Following are the three different modes of heat transfer: conduction, convection, radiation. Conduction. In conduction, heat transfer occurs between objects by direct contact. In convection, heat transfer occurs takes within the fluid. In radiation, heat transfer occurs through electromagnetic waves without involving particles. Thank you so much.
I have one question for you. How we can transfer the energy or heat?
Heat is transferred from a body at higher temperature to the one at lower temperature.
Okay. How we can measure the heat?
As all the energy is represented in joules, hence the SI unit of heat is joules. Joules can be defined as the amount of energy.
Okay. What is the law of conservation of energy?
Law of conservation of energy: neither we can create the energy or not destroy, but we can transmit it from one medium to another.
What is this?
There are some effects of heat: dizziness, thirst, heavy sweating, nausea, weakness, confusion, dizziness, become unconscious.
What is this? What is this?
There are transfer of heat. First is radiation, and second is conduction, and third is convection. Radiation: the sun heats the ground. Conduction: the ground heats the air. Convection: the warm air rises. Thank you.